widget. In this video, we are going to be unboxing the RPM Eurogamer's wired gaming controller. Now we're looking at the front side of the packaging where we can see the controller as well as one feature that's being highlighted, that this happens to be plug and play. You can also get the software for inducing vibration or other enabling vibration on their website, which is rpmeurogames.com. On the front side, you get to see what the box contents are. On either side, you don't have much information. Again, on the top side, it's more or less the same thing that we saw on the front, which brings us to the back side, where we can see the specifications. So it has 10 keys with 2 analog sticks and a home button. It uses a USB 2.0 high-speed interface for connection. It's compatible with Android, PS3, Microsoft Windows 7, 8, 8.1 and 10. And it supports both X and D input. Then you've got dual vibration motors, so each of the grip will have a motor on the inside. It's got slip resistant coating and happens to be lightweight. Then you've got the contact information for marketing agency or the company. That's it. Let's go ahead with the unboxing. Once we open it up, we have the controller and a little user manual, which is just one sheet of paper. So always read the user manual to understand exactly how to use your product, and obviously head over to their website RPM Euro Games to get the software that enables the vibration motors in the handles. You can see all the different button maps, and depending upon the mode, you can also see which of those will be enabled. On the back, you have a description of the application and some of the same things that we saw on the back side of the packaging. And here's the controller. You've got a really long cable. This seems to be about 1.5 meters long. Let's just open and check. Yep, it's a little over 1.5 meters long, and the controller's form factor is very much similar to the Sony DualShock controllers. So you've got the analog sticks up in the front for your thumb. Then you have the 8-way D-pad, the home button in the center, select and start buttons towards the top, 4 buttons on the right hand side, and on the shoulder you have 2 buttons as well as 2 analog triggers, hopefully, right beneath them. And there are also LED indicators on the front side for you to identify which player this particular controller is for. So that's it for the unboxing of the Eurogamers or the RPM Eurogamers wired gaming controller. Thank you for watching.